Hey, I see you finally made it. Come on in and welcome to the ultimate guide to owning a six-figure virtual restaurant. I am your power chef for success, Crystal Shea, helping you to dish up tasty recipes for success so that you can cook up the life of your dreams. So, quick question. Who here wants to make six figures with their very own virtual restaurant, doing something that they absolutely love, right? You do, which is why you showed up for this webinar, and I'm so excited. This presentation is going to show you how to become a six-figure earner with your very own virtual restaurant. Now, get this. There won't be the need for you to have a building or rent space for an actual restaurant, which can be a lot of work with a lot of staff. There's no need to have a lot of cash to start, and you get to skip all the stress of having to do all of this on your own. That's a game changer in and of itself. You can make up to six figures and more with the knowledge that this program is going to provide you.